Okay guys, so we're going to boil some potato and some eggs. So here I have 2 potatoes, I have 2 eggs. I'm going to boil it with some salted water. I have some frozen peas and carrots which I'm going to steam in my steamer. So I have an ice bath prepared so that after our potato it's soft, we're going to add it and the egg to the ice bath in order to stop the cooking process, and then we'll be able to peel it and chop it up. So here I'm peeling my potatoes now. And we're gonna cut our potatoes and our eggs into cubes for our potato salad. Alright, so we add now our steamed peas and carrots now to our potatoes and egg. I'm going to put some salt to taste. And here I'm adding my mayo. Of course, you can add how much you want. Now, there's some other things that you can add to this that I did not add. If you want, you can add relish to this. You can add mustard. You can add celery. That is celery seeds and the celery, the vegetable itself. So, you can make it your own. So there I added some scythe to it. So now I'm mixing everything together. Or sometimes people add some sugar as well. You can sprinkle some sugar. And here I'm also adding some sweet onion to it as well. So after we have added our sweet onion, we now want to combine everything together. So everything, all the flavors and everything gets to marry. You want to mix everything well.